I've got 2 cups of whole grain wheat here, and I'm going to put it in my dry container of my Vitamix, and I'm going to run it for 1 minute at high speed. Okay, and then that results in a very fine powder. So we've got whole wheat flour here. Okay, and then we've resulted in with about 2.5 cups of flour from that 2 cups of the grain. Okay, now we're going to make some whole wheat banana nut bread. I got it out of this booklet that came with my Vitamix dry container. And now I've got my wet container back on here. 1 egg into my Vitamix. 1/4 of a cup of butter. So I'm just using margarine here. 1/3 cup of milk. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, and then I'm going to put 2 bananas. And I'm going to blend it on a medium speed until it's well mixed. Okay. Now in a bowl, I am going to put 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1 2/3 cup of the whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then I'm just going to use a whisk here to kind of mix it up so that it's kind of mixed up here, just like this. Okay, now I'm going to add these wet ingredients to the dry mixture. Then I'm just going to mix it until it's well mixed. I'm going to add 2/3 cup of chopped walnuts. And it looks like that. And I've got a small loaf pan. And I will just empty the contents. And then I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour.